These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a drill. You're going to need a step-up bit, drill bit, marker to mark where you're going to put your O2 bung, and obviously the O2 bung. Now I'm going to have somebody else weld up my O2 bung for me, so I'm not going to be able to record that process, but I will show you the after product once it's all finished and whatnot. This is just how to mock up your O2 bung. And this O2 bung, I bought 2 of them off of eBay, came to a total of like $12.99. Worked out great. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to figure out where you're going to place your O2 bung. And you don't want it all the way at the top where your exit is, because what the O2 sensor does is it senses, how much oxygen is in, your exhaust. And so if your sensor's close to where it's exiting, it's going to be sucking in air. If not, it'll throw your O2 sensor off. So you don't want it clear all the way up to here. So I'm going to end up placing mine right about here. And so I don't got a center punch, which I wish I freaking had. So I'm just going to end up using a screw and a hammer and center punch this thing. And that should work. Now you're going to want to drill. That was perfect. I'm going to get a bigger drill bit. Now that I got my bigger drill bit, I'm going to basically what I'm doing is I'm lining it up with my step bit, because I don't just want to start drilling with my step bit and then ruin the tip of it like I already did once before. So I'm finding, a size that'll basically just be big enough to where the step bit will drop down into the hole. And I'll go ahead and bore this thing out a little bit bigger. Alright, now that I got a bigger drill bit, I'm going to try drilling this thing out again. Alright. Try my step bit. Now I got a crap step bit, and it pretty much just burnt the crap out of the tip. And so I'm going to try going one step bigger one more time, trying this out. And that should be enough. So check it out. That is downright perfect. Look at that. And so now I have my friend Ashley go ahead and weld my bung up sometime this week, and I'll get back to you guys when the process is completely done, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And so anyways, if you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.